Today it's a sunny day here in Texas, and since I recently hit 60 subscribers, I promised I'll do this video. I'm gonna torture test this, the RC truck, or RT truck, whatever the hell you call it. My last review. Look at the sticker placement, it sucks. Anyways, we're gonna throw this in the pool today. I said I'd do this video, so I'm doing it today. I know it's a little late. So, here we go. Alright, so we took the GoPro out of the water, it fell off, and oh crap, the net fell off, but the truck doesn't look so good. So we're gonna have to somehow get the net out. That was really smart of me to just let it sit there. Okay, I don't want to fall in the pool with the camera. Okay, I'd rather get myself wet than get the freaking camera wet. Alright, I'm gonna have to be creative. Okay, so I finally got the rake out. I mean, the net out. I had to use a rake to get it out. So let's get that truck. Oh, that's hard. Here we go. There it is. Oh, it doesn't look pretty. Oh, and it's in two pieces now. Look at that. It really didn't do well. Okay, let's see the front part of it. Looks like a front loader now. Okay. Ha! It's heavier. Okay, it's in two pieces now. We've got a trailer and some sort of truck. Okay, so these trucks have snapped in two, and also you can see that door is cracked right in half when I use the broom to take it out. I guess that lifts up this. Here's from the side. That lifts that up. It looked like it snapped. I don't really know. Whoops! I don't know where it snapped somewhere there. I don't even know if it snapped. Maybe it just came off. I don't know. Let's look on this. Yeah, actually, it did snap. You can see there's quite some damage on there. As far as operational, if it's operational or not, I really don't know. We'll just have to see. The battery is charging. Put that up there. Oh, and that bent. And we'll just have to see what happened. Ooh, the cab is kind of wiggly. And it's all just really messed up. Okay, so I've done everything I could. I used the 2 remotes I got and none of them work. The battery at which I charged up, maybe I should use another battery, but I assume this truck's just trash. It doesn't work. I think we killed it. I'll show you. Okay, battery's in. Didn't work. It's trash. I think I might do a giveaway. Maybe someone on YouTube I'll give it to someone on YouTube. But I don't know how to do a giveaway yet, but we'll see. So, yep, thanks for watching. And that's that.